Hello dear students, we are studying chapter number 3, that is properties of natural resources. In that we are studying second natural resource, that is water. We have seen some properties of water. Today let us start with next property of water, that is density. So students, what is density? Now this density is a compactness of molecule inside the substance. Compactness of molecule. Density is what? The compactness of molecule in substance. Is called as a density. So students, we know that things which are present around us, they are solids, liquids and gases. Also water is present in these three states: solids, liquids and gases. So if we take here three objects, suppose this is solid, liquid and gases, then arrangement of molecule inside the solid is like this way, means there is a no intermolecular space. There is a no intermolecular space is present in the molecules of solid. Okay, if we see molecules in the liquid, some intermolecular space we can see here. Intermolecular space is present in the liquid substances. Then in a gases, molecules are very loosely arranged. The molecules, they are very loosely arranged in the gaseous substances. Okay, so these are suppose solids, liquids and gases, and these are the arrangement of molecule in these three states. Okay, so what we can see here, arrangement of molecule is compactly, means very highly compacted molecules are present into the solid, loosely arranged molecules and very loosely arranged molecules are present in the gases. So this density is what? Compactness of molecule. So the solids are having very higher density than liquids and gases. Okay, because there is no space between molecules, they are tightly arranged. So that, come to the next, liquid. So liquid, some space is present between their molecule, so they are having lower density than solid. Okay, and in case of gases, large space is present between molecules of gases, so that they are having very low density than liquids and solids. Understand students? सॉलिड्स, लिक्विड्स अँड गॅसेस जे आहेत त्यांच्यामध्ये मोलेक्युलची अरेंजमेंट बघितली तर सॉलिड्समध्ये ते कॉम्पॅक्टली किंवा टाईटली अरेंज आहेत. स्पेस मोलेक्युलच्या मध्ये स्पेस अजिबात प्रेझेंट नाही, लिक्विडमध्ये थोडीशी स्पेस प्रेझेंट आहे आणि गॅसेसमध्ये मोलेक्युल्स हे खूप लूजली अरेंज केलेले आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये स्पेस ही जास्त आहे. सो दॅट गॅसेस सबस्टन्सेस जे आहेत त्यांची डेन्सिटी ही खूप कमी असते आणि सॉलिडची डेन्सिटी ही हाय डेन्सिटी असते. Okay students, so this is about density. Now there is a formula to calculate density, and that is density is equals to mass upon volume. So students, density, that is compactness of molecule. Mass is what? Amount of matter, whatever amount of matter present in the substance, in the object, is called mass of that object. Suppose this is duster, it is having mass. Mass means what? Whatever the matter present in that duster is called as mass. Amount of matter means plastic is here, that surface is made up of special kind of fiber. So all that are the matters of substance, and these are called as a mass. Mass of that matter, amount of matter is called mass. Okay. Now next, volume. Volume is what? The space between molecule. Whatever the space between the molecule is called volume of that object, that substance. Okay students. So as the density increases, volume decreases, and volume increases, then density decreases. They are inverse in the proportion. See the relation between these two, density and volume. So as the density means molecules are compactly arranged, then density is higher and their volume is less. Okay students. म्हणजे डेन्सिटी जास्त असेल तर व्हॉल्यूम कमी असतो का, तर त्याच्यामध्ये असणारी मॉलिक्युलच्या मध्ये असणारी जी स्पेस आहे ज्याला आपण व्हॉल्यूम म्हणतो, तो व्हॉल्यूम काय होतो इथं कमी होतो. ओके, सो दिस इज द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ डेन्सिटी, दॅट डेन्सिटी इज इक्वल्स टू mass upon volume and unit will be mass. We know the mass unit of mass, that is grams. It's suppose grams gm and cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter we can write like this, centimeter cube or cc, that is cubic centimeter, and that is the unit of this density. Okay, unit of density. Remember this very carefully, it will ask for the examination. So this is about density. Okay, now come to the next one activity given in your textbook. For that we have to take two tubs which are filled with water. Okay, so water is present inside that, so it is having some density, and what we have to do, we have to take some small things like this, sharpeners, pencils. Some are made up of plastic, some are made up of wooden, some are made up of metal or iron. Okay, so if we put sharpener, pencil, scale inside that, then what we can see, all these things are floats on the water. Pencil, scale, that wooden objects, these are floats on the water, where needle, iron nail, they are settled at the bottom of tub. Means the object which are made up of iron or metal, they are settled at the bottom of that tub. So why it happens? Students, see carefully. The objects like plastic, wooden or sharpener or pencil, so all that object, they are having low density than water. They are having low density than water, so that they are floats on the water. And the objects like iron or metal, which are made up of metal, they are having very high density than this water, so that they are settled at the bottom of this tub. लक्षात आलं? सो ज्या ऑब्जेक्टची डेन्सिटी ही टब मधल्या वॉटरपेक्षा कमी आहे, ते ऑब्जेक्ट्स वॉटरच्या सरफेसवर फ्लोट करतात, आणि ज्या ऑब्जेक्टची डेन्सिटी टब मधल्या वॉटरपेक्षा जास्त आहे, ते ऑब्जेक्ट टबच्या बॉटमला सेटल आहे. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट. Another tub is present which is filled with water, so that water is again having some density, and if we put ice cubes in that water, then what we can see, the ice cubes which are solid state of water, they are floats on the water. That ice cubes, they are floats on the water. Okay students, so why it happens? So the ice cubes, they are having low density than water. Ice cubes, they are having low density than this water, so that ice cubes floats on the water. आइस क्यूबची डेन्सिटी टब मधल्या वॉटरच्या डेन्सिटी पेक्षा कमी आहे, म्हणून हे आइस क्यूब्स वॉटरच्या सरफेसवर फ्लोट करतात. नाउ देयर इज अ स्पेसिफिक रिझन बिहाइंड दिस, as these are solid, how they are having low density. There is a specific reason behind this, and we will see this reason in some higher standards. Just now you can remember just that thing. Ice cubes, they are having very low density, so that they floats on the water. Remember this for give the reason question. Okay students, so this is about density of water. Now students, next important point, that is anomalous behavior of water. Anomalous behavior of water. Now students, what is this anomalous behavior? So we know that things are divided into three states: solids, liquids and gases. And if we give heat to anything, then what happens? That object or that thing starts expanding. On giving heat, every object starts expanding. So in case of water is also present in the three states, and we have seen the effects of heat on the water. So students, also water and another substances, ज्यावेळी आपण त्या सबस्टन्सेसना, ऑब्जेक्ट्सना, मेटल ऑब्जेक्ट्स असतील त्यांना हीट देतो, त्यावेळी ते ऑब्जेक्ट्स एक्सपांड होतात. ते ऑब्जेक्ट्स काय होतात? एक्सपांड होतात. but water shows abnormal behavior or anomalous behavior. Water shows abnormal behavior in the temperature range of 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. In that specific range of temperature, that range is 0 degrees Celsius to the 4 degrees Celsius, water shows abnormal or anomalous behavior. And according to that, suppose 4 degrees Celsius water is present, which temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. Then students, if we give heat to that water, instead of getting expand, that water starts contracting. That water starts contracting. 4 डिग्री सेल्सिअस टेम्परेचर असणारं पाणी आपल्याकडे असेल आणि आपण त्याला हीट दिली तर ते एक्सपांड होण्याऐवजी कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट होतं, एक्सपांड होण्याऐवजी कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट होतं. ओके स्टुडंट्स, अँड दॅट बिहेवियर ऑफ वॉटर इज कॉल्ड anomalous behavior of water. सो वी नो दॅट हीट इन्क्रीज झाली, ऑब्जेक्ट एक्सपांड होतो, एक्सपांड झाल्यानंतर मॉलिक्युल मध्ये जी स्पेस प्रेझेंट असते ती वाढते. We will take example of milk, boiling milk. Boil झाल्यानंतर काय होतं, ते milk try to come out of this pot. Why? Because volume is increases, molecular space is getting large. मिल्कच्या मॉलिक्युल मध्ये असणारी स्पेस एक्सपांड झाल्यामुळं वाढते आणि इट ट्राय टू कम आउट ऑफ दिस स्पॉट. ओके, सो ऑब्जेक्टला हीट दिल्यानंतर त्याचा व्हॉल्यूम इन्क्रीज होतो, डेन्सिटी डिक्रीज होते. ऑब्जेक्टला हीट दिल्यानंतर व्हॉल्यूम इन्क्रीज होतो आणि डेन्सिटी डिक्रीज होते. बट ऍट 4 डिग्री सेल्सिअस वॉटर स्टार्ट्स, इन्स्टेड ऑफ एक्सपांडिंग इट कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट्स. एक्सपांड होण्याऐवजी ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट होतं. म्हणजे हे जे 4 डिग्री आहे या टेम्परेचरला वॉटरची डेन्सिटी ही सगळ्यात जास्त असते. Water is having very high density on that temperature, which is 4 degrees Celsius. So, in this specific range, 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, water from 4 degrees Celsius, instead of heating, expanding, water gets contracting, and that behavior, abnormal behavior of water, is called anomalous behavior of water. So, this